Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link PayPal to our crypto wallet. Just tap on my Safari browser and log into my PayPal account. I can't see cryptocurrency option on my PayPal account. Maybe I can change my account to another country. So there is an region problem. Create a new account with a new email address of another country like United States or UK, and you will be shown the option of cryptocurrency wallet in PayPal. So there is the one reason is that of country region, and then you can uplink your cryptocurrency with any balance wallet. You can also add in Binance wallet. First create an account, show your token wallet in it, then you can uplink with any crypto wallet to PayPal. Because my account is not providing crypto wallet link due to regions. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.